So good day everyone, welcome to Every Moves Matter. So before we begin, let me introduce my partners. I am Brittany.
Lenny Joy.
And Melody Viajidor. Hello, everyone.
Yes, together we will talk about something that we use every day, but sometimes we forget to appreciate it. Our body parts and how they move, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So I have a question. So have you noticed like how much your body moves in just one day? Melody?
Yes, every time I wake up, or like every.
Yes. From the moment we wake up, we stretch our arm and also kapag tayo ay naglalakad sa school, our legs are moved. And when we carry our bags or use our phones and our hands are also working. Ginagawa mo ba yan, Lenny Joy, sa inyong pang-araw-araw na ginagawa?
Yes, of course, Miss Brittany. So actually, every day we go, whenever we go somewhere or whenever we did something, we actually do the movement. Every movement.
Yes. So how about Melody? Do you think that your body movement is amazing?
Yes, I believe that our body movements are amazing because if wala tayong body parts or hindi natin alam kung paano mag-move ang ating isang part sa ating katawan, syempre, mahihirapan tayo gumawa ng isang bagay. So, I believe that amazing lahat ng movement ng ating katawan.
Yes.
Yes, ako din. Yan din yung nararamdaman ko kasi our movement is also amazing. Kasi nung akong bata pa, mahilig ako maglaro ng tag with my friends. I would run as fast as that I could just to avoid getting caught. Alam niyo ba yung tag? Yung parang
Yes,
naglalaro
yes.
kayo sa ground? Yes. At the
Yes,
time, I didn't
nalaro ko namin
realize.
yan.
Yes, at the time, hindi ko na-realize na while I am playing, I also help my body to move, di ba?
Yes, yes. So actually, when we were young, we actually do things can actually um that can actually strengthen our body movements, no? So movements is really important in our body so that we will be able to exercise our body, right?
Yes, yes, that's correct. So while we are playing, we also have fun, right? And also, kapag tayo ay gumagawa ng isang bagay is gumagalaw yung ating mga body parts.
Parts.
And yes, it's also very helpful for our every movement. Kasi kapag tayo ay gumagalaw, di ba, nakaka-stretch to na ating mga katawan. And now, let's proceed to my partner, Melody. She will explain more about how body parts help us move.
So, yung sinabi niyo is totoo naman. That's actually very true and lahat tayo nakaka-relate. Our body parts allow us to perform different movements like bending, stretching, and twisting or reaching something. So, these movements help us stay balanced or coordinated. So, let me share a small experience when I was a kid. So, noon mahilig ako mag-akyat ng mga puno. So, na-injury ako and need ko lagyan ng ganito yung kamay ko. Like that.
Yung bandage, parang,
Kasi nga nabali yung kamay ko dito. So, mga 2 months ko yon nilagyan ng ganyan or 1 month. Nakalimutan ko kasi bata pa ako and that time, sabi ko, di na ako uulit. Pero, na sa right side ko, nagawa ko na naman ulit na mabali yung isang kamay ko. So, nalagyan na naman ulit ng brace yung kamay ko. Movements are very important. Every body part sa ating katawan is very importante lahat ito. Kaya, we should be careful. Every
yes,
time
that's right.
Yes.
Yes. Napakasaya siguro ng childhood ni Melody, no? Kasi yung left and
yes,
right niya,
exactly.
nabali. Naka-experience siya ng bandage sa dalawang kamay niya.
Yes.
Parang ang saya siguro noon. Kaya nga, dapat tayo ay mag-iingat sa ating mga ginagawa. And how about, Lani Joy, do you have any insight about your experiences?
Exactly, no. So that what was Melody saying is actually very important, no. And to add up, um, for example, when we do something, our learning becomes more exciting because we were able to use our body parts. Kanang dapat maging careful ta because it has consequences after it has a consequences if hindi ta mag-careful. Kailangan maging ingat sa mga ginagawa natin. Though it helped us physically, but we should always put in mind that pag hindi ka maging careful, it has a consequences. No? Yun. So,
Yes.
Yes, exactly. That's
And
why it is very important to take care of ourselves, right?
yes.
Yes. And partner, I will add something that hindi lahat ng tao nabibiyaan ng Panginoon ng ganito, di ba? May mga taong may kapansanan. That's why importante talaga ang body parts and our movements. That's why we should isipin natin ng mabuti kung paano tayo magkilo sa mga bagay-bagay.
Yes, that's
Yes,
true.
exactly. So by learning our body parts and how they move, we can better understand it and how our body works and how to take care of it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So next time you move, you stretch or play, remember that every part of your body is working together. That's why you need to take care of it.
Yes. Exactly,
Yes.
partner.
True.
Yes, exactly. So I think that's the end of our talking right now. I am right?
Yeah,
Yes. To
Yeah,
our
so
I
yes,
think
thank you, partner Melody and Lenny Joy. Once again, I am Brittany, your host.
and I am Lenny Joy. Goodbye. See you again next
Ambassador.
vlog.
Bye. See you again.
And thank you for watching and hope you learned something today. Bye.
Bye.